Welcome to All About Home Decor, where beautiful spaces and smart design ideas come together. Today, we're exploring elegant home decor ideas for 2026, a collection of chic, aesthetic interior design trends that can make any home feel more stylish, welcoming, and thoughtfully designed. In 2026, elegant interiors are moving away from overly matched furniture and cold, empty spaces. Instead, the focus is on warmth, personality, texture, and timeless design choices that create a sophisticated look without feeling overdone. Let's explore some beautiful ideas you can use to transform your home. Idea number 1. Cultivating a calm and sophisticated color palette. The foundation of an elegant interior lies in a curated color story that evokes tranquility and timelessness. Beyond mere aesthetics, a palette of warm whites, soft taupes, and sophisticated grays serves as a versatile canvas that adapts to changing light throughout the day. To achieve a contemporary edge, designers are increasingly integrating new neutrals, muted, earth-inspired tones such as sage green, dusty terracotta, or deep charcoal. These hues should be applied using a balanced approach, such as the 60-30-10 rule, 60% dominant neutral, 30% secondary color, and 10% accent. This strategic distribution ensures that architectural details, high-quality finishes, and curated artwork remain the focal points, preventing the space from feeling visually cluttered or overwhelming. Idea number 2. Mastering the art of textural layering. Texture is the essential element that transforms a flat, two-dimensional room into a multi-sensory sanctuary. To elevate a space and give it an expansive feel, one must move beyond visual appeal to tactile richness. The key is the juxtaposition of contrasting materials. Pair the sleek, cool surface of a marble coffee table with the warmth of a high-pile wool rug or a chunky boucle armchair. Incorporate natural elements like reclaimed wood, woven rattan, and brushed brass to ground the room, while silk or velvet cushions add a layer of opulence. By layering these materials, you create visual weight, which provides depth and makes even the most minimalist environments feel lived in, cozy, and intentionally designed. Idea number 3. Integrating furniture with elegant, organic shapes. As interior trends evolve toward 2026, the movement of soft minimalism continues to dominate, favoring curved and organic silhouettes over harsh, linear edges. Furniture with rounded profiles, such as sculptural crescent sofas, oval dining tables, and arched shelving units, mimics the fluidity found in nature. These shapes are not only aesthetically pleasing but also improve the flow of a room, removing the physical and visual sharpness of traditional layouts. Incorporating statement pieces with soft contours, such as a kidney-shaped ottoman or a pill-shaped mirror, acts as a functional work of art. These pieces break the monotony of rectangular rooms, providing a sophisticated focal point that defines the character of a designer-inspired home. Idea number 4. Make lighting a design feature. Lighting is the most transformative element in interior design, dictating both the functionality and the emotional resonance of a space. To move beyond basic illumination, implement a layered lighting strategy consisting of 3 distinct levels. Ambient lighting. This is the base layer, typically provided by recessed ceiling lights or a central chandelier, ensuring the room is safe and navigable. Task lighting. Focus light sources designed for specific activities. This includes adjustable desk lamps for workspaces, under-cabinet LEDs in kitchens, and swing arm sconces for bedside reading. Accent lighting, used to highlight architectural features or artwork. Directional track lighting or picture lights draw the eye to specific textures or objects. Atmosphere and control, utilize warm-toned bulbs, 2700K to 3000K, to mimic the soft glow of golden hour. Installing dimmer switches is essential, as they allow you to transition a room from a bright, productive morning environment to a soft, intimate evening setting. Sculptural fixtures, such as oversized paper lanterns or mid-century modern Sputnik chandeliers, serve as ceiling jewelry, acting as art pieces even when turned off. Idea number 5, use natural materials for timeless style. Incorporating organic elements grounds a room, providing a tactile richness that synthetic materials cannot replicate. This approach, often associated with biophilic design, fosters a sense of well-being and connectivity to the outdoors. Wood and stone, hardwoods like oak, walnut, and teak offer warmth and durability. When paired with the cool, heavy elegance of marble, granite, or soapstone, they create a sophisticated contrast. The patina these materials develop, the slight wear on a wooden table or the etching on a marble counter, tells a story of the home's history. Textiles and fibers, layering natural fabrics like heavy linen drapes, wool rugs, and organic cotton throws adds depth through texture. Rattan, jute, and seagrass introduce an artisanal, handcrafted quality that softens modern lines. Sustainability, natural materials are often more eco-friendly and biodegradable than plastics. Choosing handmade ceramics or reclaimed wood supports craftsmanship and ensures that no two pieces in your home are exactly alike, enhancing the sense of curated luxury. Idea number 6, create a beautiful focal point. A focal point acts as the anchor of a room, establishing a visual hierarchy that tells the viewer where to look first. Without one, a space can feel chaotic or uninspired. Architectural anchors, if a room has a natural feature like a floor-to-ceiling fireplace or a large bay window with a view, arrange the furniture to complement it. The layout should flow toward this point, using it as the center of the room's gravity. Created anchors, in rooms lacking architectural interest, you must manufacture a focal point. This can be achieved through a scale, a massive, vibrant piece of abstract art on a neutral wall. Contrast, a dark painted accent wall behind a light-colored velvet headboard. Function, a beautifully styled console table featuring a curated collection of books, a statement mirror, and a pair of tall candlesticks. The purpose of direction, by establishing a clear focal point, you simplify the room's composition. This allows the secondary elements, the side tables, rugs, and accessories, to play a supporting role, resulting in a balanced, professional-looking interior that feels intentional and organized. Idea number 7, style your surfaces with intention. Elegant decorating is rooted in the philosophy that less is more. Rather than succumbing to the urge to fill every horizontal surface, focus on curated vignettes that tell a story. The rule of 3, when arranging items, group them in odd numbers, specifically 3, to create visual interest and balance. Vary the heights of these objects to lead the eye across the surface. Coffee table composition, utilize a grid approach. Place a stack of oversized coffee table books to provide a base, a decorative tray to corral smaller items like candles or coasters, a sculptural ceramic vase for height, and a natural element, such as a bowl of moss or a single hydrangea stem, to soften the arrangement. Console table layering, create depth by leaning a large-scale mirror or piece of abstract art against the wall. Layer a tall, slim lamp in front of it, and finish with a small bowl or a vintage find. This layering technique prevents the surface from looking flat and one-dimensional. The goal, achieving a sense of breathable space where each object is given the room to be appreciated, ensuring the room feels designed rather than cluttered. Idea number 8, bring nature indoors. Integrating organic elements is a fundamental pillar of biophilic design, which seeks to connect occupants more closely to nature. Scale and impact, use large-scale greenery, such as a fiddle leaf fig or an olive tree, to anchor empty corners and add verticality to a room. For smaller surfaces like floating shelves or bedside tables, use trailing plants like pothos or delicate succulents to add texture, floral sophistication. Fresh flowers should feel effortless. Avoid overly tight, supermarket-style bouquets. Instead, opt for monochromatic arrangements or a few architectural branches, like eucalyptus or cherry blossoms, in a tall vessel. Material choice. The containers are as important as the plants. Select planters made from organic materials, terracotta, honed stone, or hand-thrown stoneware, to maintain a high-end, earthy aesthetic that complements a neutral color palette. Idea number 9, mix modern and timeless pieces. A sophisticated home should feel collected over time rather than purchased in a day. The tension between different eras creates a dynamic and personalized environment. The 80-20 rule: aim for a ratio where 80% of the room follows a primary style, e.g., contemporary, while the remaining 20% consists of contrasting elements, e.g., antique or mid-century modern. Juxtaposition: pair a sleek, low-profile modern sofa with a weathered, vintage Persian rug. Place a contemporary glass coffee table next to a traditional wingback chair. This contrast highlights the unique silhouettes of each piece's texture and history. Incorporate timeless materials like brass, marble, and solid wood. These materials age gracefully and provide a sense of permanence that balances the clean lines of modern furniture. Idea number 10, focus on quality over quantity. The hallmark of elegant interior design is intentionality. Every piece in a room should serve a purpose, whether it is functional, aesthetic, or emotional. Investment pieces: prioritize spending on anchor items, the sofa, the dining table, or the bed, that are built to last. High-quality craftsmanship is visible in the joinery of the wood, the weight of the fabric, and the comfort of the cushions. The power of the edit: regularly edit your space. Remove items that no longer serve the room's aesthetic or your personal needs. A room with 3 exceptional pieces of furniture feels more luxurious than a room packed with mediocre accessories. Meaningful curation: choose decorations that have a story, an heirloom, a piece of art from a trip, or a book that changed your perspective. When everything in a room works together thoughtfully, the result is a cohesive, tranquil environment that reflects the inhabitant's personality without overwhelming the senses. From warm colors and layered textures to sculptural furniture and carefully chosen accessories, the most beautiful interiors of 2026 are all about creating spaces that feel comfortable, personal, and effortlessly stylish. Remember, you don't need to completely redesign your home to create an elegant look. Sometimes, simply updating your lighting, adding texture, rearranging furniture, introducing natural materials, or styling your surfaces more intentionally can make a remarkable difference. Which of these elegant home decor ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these chic aesthetic interior design ideas for 2026, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to All About Home Decor, and turn on notifications for more beautiful home decorating inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.